It is June 23rd. We are here at Nasira, Mahmic's home, replacing one individual shingle per insurance estimates. This first step here, to place that one individually damaged shingle, you're going to have to break the remaining seals of the said shingle. And during this process, it is not going to allow these shingles to re-seal due to the breaking of the seals. And along with that, you have to go ahead and break the seals of all the surrounding shingles. And see, these are no way this is going to stick back to each other. And then even with that tear-off process, I'm just trying to remove one individual shingle. Look at all that additional damage that occurred. Just trying to replace this one.
Is that out of mat transfer?
Before moving on to the next stage, just want to go ahead and show again the mat transfer has occurred during this tear-off process here. None of these seals will be able to ever reseal again, leaving this roofing system susceptible to future damage. And while I've got this shown here, now removing the existing nails, it is not advised to nail new nails into the same nail hole. Therefore, there will be additional holes in these shingles, leaving the roof system even more susceptible to future damage. Another thing about using the snake tool here, if you can notice the width of it, it is impossible to get these nails 100% flush. Therefore, us getting into the correct striking pattern, it is not always possible to get the 45-degree angle that is always suggested during these processes here. So, in most cases, we have to go further than that 45-degree angle.